Please subscribe.
Infiniti will inject some more style into the 2019 QX60 and QX80 with the introduction of the new limited edition at the New York Auto Show. The upgrades include high-quality leather throughout the cabin and some eye-catching parts on the exterior. For the QX60 Limited, Infiniti adds dark chrome parts to the body, including the grille, around the fog lights, and door moldings. The company also applies some dark paint over the roof rack and its crossbars, and the lower portion of the rear bumper is gloss black. The Limited rides on a set of 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, too. The QX60 Limited features a lavishly appointed cabin. The company installs stone-colored, semi-aniline leather seats with contrast stitching. It also extends to the door panels. Dark silver wood trim accents the upgraded upholstery, and there's a black headliner. There are no powertrain changes, so the QX60 Limited still uses a 3.5-liter V6 with 295 horsepower, 220 kilowatts, and 270 pound-feet of torque. The QX80 Limited has slightly different upgrades. The exterior is available in an anthracite gray, which is exclusive to this edition. The body also features satin chrome trim, including on the roof rails and lower portions of the bumpers. Stainless steel running boards and 22-inch wheels are among the upgrades, too. Inside, the big SUV has two-tone, semi-aniline leather and Alcantara. Open-pore ashwood trim also decorates the cabin, and there's black Ultrasuede headliner. Satin chrome also adorns the door handles. The QX80 Limited sticks with the 400 horsepower, 298 kilowatt, 5.6-liter V8 from the rest of the lineup. The QX60 Limited will arrive at dealers this spring, and the QX80 Limited will follow in the summer. Details about pricing will come later.